Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the Air Siddhan show. And today, let's talk about Japan Airlines Flight 123. So, this plane took off from Tokyo International Airport, and after a few minutes, there was a hole in the plane. Because of the hole in the plane, the plane got rapidly decompressed, and the passengers were not able to breathe air easily. Then they heard another blast. This time, after this blast, the plane turned towards the left. Then the pilot quickly called the Tokyo International Airport's ATC and told, "We are going to Haneda International Airport for an emergency landing." Then, after some time, the ATC called Japan Airlines Flight 123, and then they told that the place where you are heading, there is a big mountain, and your height is not that much that you can fly over the mountain and be safe. So I'll just show you the picture from where the plane was heading towards the mountain. Here, as you can see, this plane is heading towards the mountain, and then soon the plane crashed into the mountain with a big explosion. So let's talk about how did this plane crash. So let's start. Near the place where the plane crashed, there was a US military base camp. The US military base camp saw that the plane was crashing, so they told the Tokyo military government, and then they sent a helicopter to the place where the plane crashed. But then the Tokyo military government cancelled that investigation operation, and then they told that this has happened in Tokyo, Japan. So please do not think to come and investigate again. Then, and the Tokyo government didn't also know that where the plane crashed. So finally they sent a helicopter to the place where the plane crashed, and then the helicopter saw that there are some flames below, and the helicopter didn't find a place to land, so they just made circles around that place, and they just came back and told that everybody is dead in that crash. So we cancel this operation till it's not morning. In the morning, they sent 3 helicopters to the place where the plane crashed, and then they found that 4 people were still alive, and then they brought them off of the fire. Then then their mission was to find, and then they finally found the black box, and then the investigation team started investigating. In the investigation, they got to know that the way the plane's tail was sealed was very wrong. So let me show you how the plane's tail was sealed. The plane's tail was sealed like this. This is the wrong way to seal a plane's tail, and the correct way to seal the plane's tail was this. So basically, the bulkhead is connected to the splice plate, and then there is another bulkhead above the splice plate, and the splice plate is connected to the upper bulkhead and the lower bulkhead. So this is how to seal a plane's tail. But if you seal the plane's tail like this, after many times the plane takes off and lands, the tail will get like weak and weak. So then the way they sealed the plane's tail was wrong. So after many takeoffs and landings, the plane finally, in one takeoff, the plane's tail came off the plane, and then the plane was heading towards a mountain, and then it crashed in the mountain. So this was the whole story of Japan Airlines flight 123. So let's meet in the next video. Bye.